Meaning of debris.
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 Debris. Debris refers to scattered fragments or remains of something that has been destroyed, broken, or discarded. The word is commonly used to describe the aftermath of natural disasters, accidents, or explosions, where debris can include rubble, broken glass, metal scraps, and other materials. Debris can be hazardous to people and infrastructure, and often requires specialized equipment and procedures for cleanup and disposal. In addition to physical damage, debris can also have psychological and emotional effects on individuals and communities affected by its presence.